What's up, everybody? It's Jason here from JewelsAndBrix, and I got a special package from Lego. Why don't we check it out? Okay, here we go. Well, this box came from Lego, came on a Sunday, and wasn't supposed to be buying Lego, but this is something special. And said, what the hey, We got the Super Mario Toad Special Hideaway. Two. And the Frankenstein bobblehead. Had to make the $50 VIP. And decided to throw a Kenobi in there too. Throw one of those in there too. And I guess I qualified for a free keychain there. What's that? Toad. There it is, Super Mario Toad Special Hideaway 77907. 120 pieces. Special Comic-Con, special limited edition. There you go. No thumb tabs. Nice tape. Box is pretty perfect. That was it, just a quick unboxing, and thanks for watching the vid. It was a little rushed, but Comic-Con exclusive, and you gotta do what you gotta do.